Next question number 23 from exercise 7.1. So what is given? If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then prove that same order means that is row and column will be equal in both the matrices. If I am taking 2 by 3, then B also 2 by 3. If it is 3 by 3, if A is 3 by 3, then B also 3 by 3. So same order. Then prove that AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. So we know the symmetric concept, right? So symmetric means what is the concept? Symmetric matrix. That means A transpose should be equal to A. This is a symmetric matrix definition. So now first case I have to prove that AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. That means what I have to prove? AB plus BA, the whole transpose should be equal to AB plus BA. This is I have to prove. Okay. So let us consider the left hand side, that is AB plus BA the whole transpose. So by the property, so what I will get? AB the whole transpose plus BA the whole transpose. Okay. And here they given that in question itself A and B are symmetric matrices. That means A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B. Same way, right? So these two are given. So I have to prove this. So by the definition of AB the whole transpose, how to write? B transpose A transpose plus A transpose B transpose. So if I replace from the given, I will get BA plus AB. So in addition I can change and write. So I can change the order. So AB plus BA. So what I started? AB plus BA the whole transpose I started. So I got the result is AB plus BA. Therefore I can say that AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. So same way next I have to prove that. What I have to prove? Second case is AB minus BA is a skew symmetric. Q symmetric I have to prove. Okay, this is your second case. So skew symmetric. What is the meaning of skew symmetric? So I'll get the negative sign. A transpose should be equal to minus A transpose. That means AB minus BA the whole transpose should be equal to minus of AB minus BA. This is I have to prove. Okay. So let us consider the left hand side. AB minus BA whole transpose. By definition AB the transpose minus BA the whole transpose. So by definition of transpose property, B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. So again both are symmetric. So I will get BA minus AB. But I want to get AB minus BA. So take minus as common. So I will get AB minus BA. So I started with AB minus BA the whole transpose. Therefore I proved that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. So I got with a negative. So I proved that it is a skew symmetric matrix.